Not watching football doesn't make you strange. It makes you different. In a world where people can talk for hours about players, stats, and trophies, you quietly step back. Not because you hate the game, but because your focus is elsewhere. Today, we'll explore the deep psychology of those who don't follow the crowd, the thinkers who don't cheer for teams but build their own. And hey, before we dive in, if you enjoy content that explores the human mind, make sure to subscribe and join a community that values depth, awareness, and truth over trends. 1. The self-focused thinker. This person doesn't hate football. They just can't feel what others feel watching it. When a stadium erupts in joy, their mind stays still. They're not wired for vicarious emotion, that ability to feel excitement through someone else's success. Instead, their dopamine comes from progress, not spectacle. While others celebrate a goal, they're thinking, why should I care about people I don't even know? Psychologically, these are the independent thinkers. They have low external validation needs and high self-determination. They don't need to belong through shared emotions. They find purpose in creation, not consumption. To many, they seem cold, but in reality, they've just replaced cheering with building. 2. The disillusioned observer. They once cared. They used to watch every match, memorize stats, feel that rush when their team won. But one day they saw through it all. The money, the politics, the endless marketing of something that once felt pure. This type experiences what psychologists call existential detachment. That moment when entertainment no longer feels meaningful because it lacks real growth or depth. They realize that watching others live their dreams doesn't bring them closer to their own. They didn't stop watching out of arrogance. They stopped out of awareness. To them, football stopped being a game and became a mirror, showing how easily the world worships distraction. 3. The redirected mind. These people aren't rebels. They're just wired differently. Their excitement doesn't come from the crowd. It comes from curiosity. Their dopamine system seeks variety, novelty, and relevance. Psychologists call this diversified stimulation patterns, meaning their brain gets pleasure from many sources, not just one. They get the same thrill others find in football from a new song, a brilliant film, a strategy game, or even designing something. To them, football feels repetitive, predictable, while creation feels infinite. 4. The honest realist. Why should I watch millionaires kick a ball while I'm struggling to pay rent? That's the unfiltered honesty of this group. They don't hate the sport. They're just tired of illusions. They see entertainment for what it is, a temporary distraction that solves nothing. Psychologically, they view the world through emotional practicality, protecting their energy from what doesn't nourish it. 5. The detached philosopher. And then there's the rarest group, the ones who don't reject football. They transcend it. For them, every obsession humans have, sports, fame, politics, is just another story we tell ourselves to feel alive. They don't see themselves as superior, just free. Their calm is mistaken for indifference, but it's actually clarity. They've chosen to play the only game that truly matters, mastering themselves. So, maybe you don't watch football because you're lazy, or maybe you just see the world differently. It's not about judgment, it's about values. Which one are you? The self-focused thinker, the disillusioned observer, the redirected mind, the honest realist, or maybe a little bit of each? If this made you think differently, hit subscribe. We go deeper every week. Share this with someone who thinks the same way, and leave a comment. I don't watch, I observe.